Alright boys, welcome back to another El Camino Kyle video. Today we're going to be working on one of my favorite toys. Let me get it down for you. This is a David Bradley chainsaw. They were manufactured somewhere around 1917, and I believe they're the only manufactured gear-driven chainsaws. So I plan on attempting to take it apart and rebuilding it. So I was just doing the math here, and it says oil 2 drops daily. So that's probably one of the reasons why I'm gonna rebuild it, because if my math is correct, that's 2019 minus 1917, 102 years, times 52 weeks, times 7 days, times 2 drops daily. That's 74,256 times that it has not been oiled. Yeah, so we're gonna get right on that. So the chain isn't stuck on there. Little gear moves freely, but the pulley is seized. So that's a concern, but I mean, the gears still go, so we're gonna tear it apart anyway. The little oiler pump does not work, and these caps are a little bit stuck on there, so should do the trick. Sounds like it's empty. There's the gas cap. Bar oil or regular oil, it probably takes 10W30. Alright, let's look down in there. Oh yeah, she's as clean as a whistle down in there. See how the oil valley does. Sludgy. I guess we'll start by taking this guy off first. These guys aren't seized up, so that's a good sign. No, that guy's rough. Those guys back in. Oh jeez. Okay, we're gonna move that guy. There we go. A little wire connection back here. Let's see how that guy goes. This guy probably just slides right off. Yeah, so we're gonna get a new wire for it. That works. All right, next step. Let's see. That's compression. Yeah, I'll take it. Oh, jeez. Yeah. That one's gross. It's a big one. Yeah. Doesn't look too bad at all. Little gear, it moves good. There we go. On this side too. Not really working in any particular order anymore, so I'm going to take this center guy out. Alright, so that's about as far down as I'm going to take it. The flywheel spins okay. So, I mean, really there's nothing inside of there that's worth seeing. The clutch spins. And that's just a combustion chamber or whatever you want to call it. So I'll spray down and clean this whole piece. And then the actual housing, I'm going to take the carb off and look for a rebuild kit online so I can rebuild that. And then I'll just spray down the whole thing, clean it all off, and I guess reassemble it. I'll probably just call it a video right there. Honestly, if you want to see more of it, of the cleaning and reassembling, and yeah, let me know down in the comments, and I'll work on filming that. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed. I know it's something different, but it's one of the things I do on a weekly, monthly, daily, yearly basis. So let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.